Cougar Mountain. Denali Summit is a popular accounting software that many businesses turn to, but before you decide to buy, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll dive into 12 things you should consider before making your purchase, especially when comparing it to other accounting software on the market. First, let's talk about the user interface. Denali Summit offers a comprehensive set of features, but its interface can feel a bit outdated compared to newer, more modern solutions. If you're used to more sleek, user-friendly designs like QuickBooks or Xero, it might take a bit of time to adjust to Denali Summit's interface. Next thing to consider is the scalability. Denali Summit is a great option for small to medium-sized businesses, but if you're growing rapidly or need enterprise-level features, you might want to look into alternatives like Sage Intacct. Denali Summit can handle complex accounting needs, but it's not necessarily built for the demands of large enterprises. The third thing to keep in mind is the customization options. One of the standout features of Denali Summit is its ability to be tailored to your specific business needs. While software like QuickBooks offers some customization, Denali Summit goes a step further by allowing more in-depth adjustments to suit industries like retail, manufacturing, and nonprofits. Fourth thing, integration with third-party tools. Denali Summit doesn't integrate as seamlessly with as many popular business tools as some of its competitors. While QuickBooks, for example, supports a wide variety of integrations with CRM and payroll systems, Denali Summit has a more limited range. Now, let's talk pricing. Denali Summit isn't the cheapest option on the market. While it's a solid accounting tool, it comes at a premium compared to something like Wave or FreshBooks, which offer basic accounting features for free or at a low cost. If you're just starting out, those might be more budget-friendly choices, though they lack some of Denali Summit's advanced features. The sixth thing to note is customer support. Cougar Mountain does offer customer service, but it's not always as responsive as some other options. Users have reported slow response times, especially during peak seasons. Competitors like QuickBooks are known for their fast, 24/7 support, which can be crucial for businesses that need timely assistance. Seventh thing, the learning curve. Denali Summit does offer training resources, but it can still take some time to get the hang of it, especially if you're new to accounting software. In contrast, QuickBooks and Xero often provide easier onboarding and more extensive tutorials to help users get started faster. The eighth thing you should know is that Denali Summit offers strong reporting features. If detailed financial reporting is crucial for your business, you'll appreciate Denali Summit's robust reporting tools. This makes it a great choice for businesses that need in-depth financial insights, whereas other tools might not provide the same level of detail. Next, security is always a concern. Denali Summit takes security seriously, with features like data encryption and regular backups. However, when compared to cloud-based solutions like Xero or FreshBooks, Denali Summit's security offerings might not be as advanced, especially when it comes to the ease of remote access and cloud storage. The 10th thing to consider is software updates. Denali Summit releases regular updates, but they often require manual installations, which can be time-consuming and disruptive. Competitors like QuickBooks automatically update, so you never have to worry about keeping your software up to date. Another thing, the mobile app experience. Denali Summit doesn't offer as comprehensive or user-friendly a mobile experience as its competitors. If you need to access your accounting software on the go, you might find QuickBooks' mobile app or Xero's mobile features more robust and user-friendly. The 12th and final thing to consider is the long-term commitment. Denali Summit is a great option if you're planning on using it for the long haul and can afford the upfront cost, but there's no easy way to test the software before committing. Other platforms, like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, offer free trials that let you test them out before making a decision. All in all, Cougar Mountain Denali Summit is a solid accounting software solution for many businesses, especially those that need customization and detailed reporting. However, if you're looking for something more user-friendly, scalable, and cost-effective, we recommend checking out our alternative solution that you can try for free.